We are in Kanas today and it's really cold. The water is so clear.
Kanas, home to the nomadic Tuva people, is a breathtaking lake in the Altai mountains, just kilometers away from China's border with Kazakhstan, Russia and Mongolia. Surrounded by Siberian forests, this fairy tale landscape is a true paradise. Last night we stayed in a cabin in Jiadongyu, where you can get a shuttle bus to Kanas National Geopark. There are several stops along the way, but we recommend driving to the furthest spot first to beat the queues.
We are in Kanas today and it's really cold. I think it's around 0 degrees, but you can see the mountains have snow on them. We had to register our drone when we got here with the local police to make sure they have all our details to be able to fly the drone. So if you're planning on coming here with a drone, make sure you do that. We're getting a bus to the top of the mountains to see the view, but they only release 600 tickets an hour, every half an hour, and it's such a rush to get the tickets. So we missed the first 2 ticket sellings for the past hour, and now we've just managed to get the tickets to go up. So quite excited to see the views. The water is very blue, and yeah, let's go.
Instead of taking the bus, you can also take a horse ride up the peak, but we weren't sure if this was ethical, so decided not to do it just in case.
So we've just been to the top of Guanyu Lookout, Guanyu Terrace, and it's over 1,000 steps. And they're quite steep, but the views were stunning, and I'm quite worn out and out of breath now.
We got the bus back down so that we could explore the turquoise rivers and mountains by foot. Local folklore tells of a monster, much like the Loch Ness monster, that lives in the lake and drags wandering cattle to its watery depths.
This area here was formed by a mudslide a very long time ago, and now it's got like an island in it. Very cool.
The lake was formed around 200,000 years ago by glacial movement and runs into a river right down into Burqin, where we will be spending the night. Burqin is a Kazakh autonomous area with a large Kazakh population.
So we just arrived at our hotel, and when we arrived they're still building it, so we're a bit worried, but we are very happy. It's very, very nice. I'll show you our room. So we have our own fridge. Cabinet is all very, very new. It smells very new. Hello. Big bed. station, plants, and they gave me a gift when I arrived. I don't know what it is, but very cool.
The following day, we drove for 10 hours to Huanghuang village to be closer to Salimuhu, which we will explore tomorrow.
So it's about midnight and we've just arrived at our homestay. We've driven more than 10 hours today. It's been a long way, but it's worth it for this homestay. It's so nice, so let me show you. Hello. It's the bathroom. And the shower. It's so big. What are you doing?
We are making our dinner. We drove like 800 kilometers to here and didn't eat at all.
So, because it's like midnight, this is our dinner.
Huanghuang village smelled like crisp mornings and log fires. The homestay even cooked us an English-style breakfast.
What are you eating?
An apple grown on the farm. It's so hard to eat.
Not too far from Huanghuang village sits the breathtaking Salimuhu, or Sayram Lake in English. This freshwater lake in the northern Tianshan mountains is less than 50 kilometers from the Kazakhstan border.
Today we are in Salimuhu, which is a beautiful big lake surrounded by snow-capped mountains. It was 143 RMB per person to get in, and we just drove the car in, and the views are stunning. You can ride a horse here, you can do paragliding. It's beautiful.
There is also the option to walk, cycle or rent a car to go around the lake, although beware, the perimeter of the lake is 70 kilometers, so we recommend driving or just doing part of the route. Sayram Lake is a wonderland of legends and folklore. It is said that the lake was formed by a young Kazakh couple who filled an abyss with their tears after being separated by a demon.
Balancing on a weary line, too scared to trust you and jump down.
The water is so clear. What are you doing? I told Mew to skim the stones on the water, so I thought it'd be a cool shot. But he can't do it. But neither can I, so I can't grumble. But okay, go.
Nice.
Historically, the area has been mostly uninhabited due to its remote location, despite being located on the northern branch of the historic Silk Road. We had lunch in a restaurant by the lake, which was very quiet, cheap, and incredibly delicious. This region of Xinjiang is easily the most beautiful place I have visited in my life. Let us know in the comments, where is your favourite place in the world? Until next time, bye bye!